Hi everyone, so today's video I'm showing you how I created this short ballerina style nail using acrylic from Diamond Nail Supplies. I think the colour was Exposed, and I'm also using some pink angel paper and some Louis Vuitton rainbow colour decals. I already did cuticle work and applied tips before I started the acrylic application, so I'm just coming in with the angel paper now on top of that nude acrylic. I am trying to work quite thin with this nude acrylic because I don't want it to be too thick, because I need to encapsulate the nails. Just coming in and putting that decal on the nail. I got these from Shop Kiki, and I can't remember if it's .com or .co.uk, but if you pop it in Google, I'm sure it'll come up, and they've got loads of really cool ones on there. Just encapsulating the nails now in my Clarity, which is from Diamond Nail Supplies. If you do go onto the website and want to order anything, then don't forget to get yourself a little discount. You can get 10% off with my code, which is Emma10. On to finish filing now. I'm just tidying up those side walls and free edge before I come and whip over with my hand file to debulk, and then I'll come back in with my hand file again just to make sure those cuticles are nice and flush and make sure that any sort of lumps and bumps aren't in the nail anymore. So now I'm adding my tack-free top shine from Diamond Nail Supplies. As the name suggests, this is just a top coat that you cure for 60 seconds, and it has no sticky residue at the end. So once it's out of the lamp, you're good to go for your cuticle and everything. Although I do say wait for it to cool down a little bit before you add your oil so you don't dull the shine. But yeah, I've left you a little clip here of the finished result. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, share, comment me any questions you might have, and I'll see you in another one soon. Bye.